So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can sign up for your Bitget account. So guys, first of all you need to do is just go ahead and open the app first. As you can see, I'm in the app library and the app is right here. So just tap there. And once you open it, you'll see two options: create wallet and import wallet. So if you already have an wallet and you want to import it through here, then you can do that. But if you want to sign up or create a new wallet, you just tap on create wallet, tap on agree, and now you set a PIN, verify it again, and there you go. They're fetching information and they're creating your account. So guys, you have successfully signed up for your Bitget account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.